And the question is, because I am librarian, and I think that in the last 2-3 years, the librarian works is changed totally. The library must go in the web and find users, not stay inside the library and wait the user. So this is the big difference. And so a librarian is not linked to library. Librarian can be way out of library, and there is a lot of place where the librarian work is necessary. But I am interested about, I've seen Zotero or Mendeley, the form of disseminating the publication and all things that open the academic, between inside the academic and outside of academic. This is a social network and so on. I think they are very useful because academic is often very closed, especially in Italy, it's very closed.
Yes.